Okay guys, this will blow your mind.
Just look at this. I still can't believe this is AI. Every movement, every facial expression, every hand gesture, even the eye blinks. It looks real, it feels real. And here's the wild part. This entire video was generated from single image. No model, no camera, no studio, no setup. This AI takes a photo and turns it into a realistic talking video. On the right side, this is my video. And on the left, this is the image that I downloaded from FreePic. Now look. Prompt, you can restore the details from low quality photos. Same pose, same energy, but a completely different person and environment. Look closely, even the reflection is there on the PC case. At this point, nobody can tell this is AI. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create video like this for free step by step. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type Ekul. Click the first link. Now create your account, and here is the best part. You instantly get free credits. No card, no payment, just start. Once inside, look at the left side. You'll see AI tools. Click it. Now select character swap. This is where the real magic begins. First upload your video. Then upload your target image, the character or face you want in the video. Now we choose the model. I'm selecting Kling V2 Pro Motion Control. Next, set the character orientation to match video. Choose your resolution. Select how many videos you want to generate. And this part is important. Turn on keep original video sound. Everything is ready. Now hit generate. Wait a few seconds, and just like that, your new video is done. Clean, simple, powerful. But trust me, this is only the beginning.
This AI takes a photo and turns it into a realistic talking AI video.
Now let me show you the real magic. I upload another video. Then I upload this image. This time I select the model 1 2.2 animate. In mode I choose replace. Set the resolution. Select number of generation. Now take a breath and hit generate. Just look at this. The face, the movement, the expression. This doesn't look edited. It looks alive. This is the moment where you realize AI videos has changed forever.
Okay guys, this will blow your mind.
Let's push it even further. I upload one more video. Now I select Kling V2.6 standard motion control. I keep the rest of the settings default and hit generate, and look at the result. The realism, the lighting, the motion tracking. It's almost impossible to tell this was created by AI. Now let's talk about another standout feature, face swap. Just go to face swap and upload your video. Upload your target image. Select the classic model. Now hit generate. And there it is, a perfect face swap. Smooth, clean, natural. No glitches, no weird stretching. Just solid results. But Ekul doesn't stop there. They also have Face Swap Pro. This one works for images only. The process is the same. Upload image, select model, hit generate. But the result? Mind-blowing. The blend, the detail, the realism. This is on another level compared to the most AI tools out there. So that's Ekul for you. A single platform, multiple AI video tools, all in one place. If you want to try it, check the link in the description. There is a big discount on the premium plan. And yes, you can test it for free with some limitations. Try it once and I promise you, you'll never look at the AI video the same way again.